Good morning, everybody. It's April 12th. It's a new week, and we have a new lesson this week. So I would like to go through the homework and also let you know that this week we have lessons only 4 days because Fridays, as every month, the teachers have a day when they can prepare and they can do their own stuff. So the lesson is from Monday to Thursday. If you go on our blog, you will see the homework. It's up to Thursday. Okay, so let's go to our blog and see what we have. I hope everyone had a good weekend and hopefully the weather will continue to be nice. Even if it's raining, it's a little bit warmer. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So this is our blog for this week and make it bigger so you can see it hopefully. So most of the homework is for both morning and afternoon students. Next week I will start to split it in two for the morning and afternoon because they have to do different things. Okay, but for now, for the vocabulary practice, we have kind of the same thing. So for Monday, we have one, two, mostly vocabulary building. Okay, mostly vocabulary building. And this week we are learning about household problems and also we'll start grammar should and shouldn't. So let's see the vocabulary exercise, the first one. I will send it out in your messenger so you can practice it. As you know, if you go on the blog, you can just click on when you see the hand with the finger, you can click on it and it will take you to the exercise. If you don't know how to do that, then later on I will send you and then you can click from the messenger. So make it a little bit bigger and let's see what we have here. As I told you, when you have these kind of exercises, please copy the words in your notebook first from the first page when it opens. And then later on, when you have to type it in, you will be able to look in your notebook and copy the words correctly. And this way you will learn their spelling too. Okay, so you can click on these little speakers next to each word. They have cockroaches, clogged toilet, or they say plugged toilet, bed bugs, no hot water, rat, crack in a wall, crack in the ceiling, and a mice, stain on your carpet, no air conditioning in the summer, that could be a problem, no heat in the winter time, that's a big problem, peeling paint, broken smoke detector. I just bought two new smoke detectors. From time to time, you have to buy new ones. If you are renting and it's not working, you have to tell the landlord to change it. So you can listen to all these by clicking the little speaker, bed box, rat, and so on. Say it as many times, repeat it as many times as you can, just so to practice your English. Then you click on the exercise number 1. And what you do here, you have the speakers at the bottom. You click on it. It says clogged toilet. So I find clogged toilet and I put it next to. Then I listen to the next one. It says no heat. I put it to the correct one. Crack. Put it to the correct one. Then I do one more. Mice. Put it next to the mice. And as you know, you can always check your answers. So I click on check my answers. And the ones we did, it's good. And the other ones we didn't do it. So when you finish with one exercise, in the top left corner, you can click on the back arrow and then it will take you back to the exercises. Then click on exercise number 2. And what you have to do here, this is more like reading practice. You read it and put it under the correct picture. Crack, broken smoke detector, there you go, clogged toilet, and so on. When you're done again, you can check your answers. There you go. And go back again with the arrow at the top left corner click on it, and go to exercise number 3. This is the same kind of thing. You listen, red, and put it under the correct picture. Mice, the mice are the smaller ones. Red is bigger. And then you can check your answers and then go back. This homework, you don't have to send it back to me. And thank you everybody who finished their tests and homework for last week. This week, don't send me any homework from last week. This week is the new lesson. So then you can do the fill in. What you have to do now, if you copied it in your notebook, all you can do is type in cockroaches or plugged toilet or is a crack. All you have to do is just type it in. Mice. And then, of course, again, you can check your answers. And you go back and then do the dictation. The dictation is just listening, crack, and then typing. Oh, I missed the A. There you go. Then I listen again. Broken smoke detector. And I'm not continuing, okay? So you can check your answers and then go back, and this homework is finished. Again, you don't have to send this back. This is for you to learn the vocabulary. I don't need to see this one. You have to practice this one. But remember, copy these words in your notebook. So when you get to exercise number 3 and 4 and 5, then you will be able to use them and copy them with the correct spelling. Okay, let's see. Exercise number 2 is similar with this one, similar to that one. So if I click on it, this is household maintenance. So that's what you will do. Next week, we will have a test for both morning and afternoon students. The afternoon students will have to tell me, I will show a picture and maybe they have to tell me what the problem is, what should I do, what should I not do, but I will explain more later on. And this is the same kind of thing, so I'm not explaining too much about this. We have broken window, leaking pipe, repair person, lock, locksmith, plumber, dripping faucet, fuse box, electrician, exterminator is a guy. If you have too many mice or bugs or ants or cockroaches, you can call and they will spray. They will spray around your house. They will spray in the house to kill the bugs. Falling off roof or leaky roof, carpenter can fix it. You can have a cracked wall, again, carpenter can fix it. So copy these words again in your notebook, then you can go to the different exercises. Exercise number 1, you listen, you put it next to what you think. Then check your answers if you want for yourself, then go back. Do it as many times as you feel that you learned it. Don't just click once and then finish. Do it as many times as you know the words, as you understand them. Then go to exercise number 2. What you have to do, you just have to put it next to the correct picture. That's a carpenter. This is a lock. This is a locksmith, and so on. Okay. When you finish, check your answers, go back, go to exercise number 2. Oh, this was exercise number 2, sorry. And go to exercise number 3. Now the same thing, but now you listen to it and repair person, and you put it next to the correct picture. Electrician, this guy is the electrician. And then you can check your answers, then go back and do the fill-in. So it's good thing that you copied the words in your notebook now. Easily you can just copy and type it in with the correct spelling. And the last one is the dictation. When you listen, leaking pipe, and then you just type it in. It said leaking pipe, so I put leaking pipe. If I want to be sure it's good, I check my answer, then I go back. So this is your homework for today. Okay, I quickly will go through the week, but I'm not explaining in that much detail tomorrow's and after tomorrow's. So for tomorrow, this is your picture. This is from the picture dictionary that we always use at school. And these are the different things, but I will explain that tomorrow. And you have to answer 10 questions in your notebook. You can look at the picture and answer the questions. That's for tomorrow. For Wednesday, again, we go on Avenue. I will explain how to. Again, you can click here and then you sign in, log in as your email address I sent you. Most of you have the fakemail.com and some numbers or their name as password. So you log in. If you still don't know how to log in, let me know and I will resend you the login information. And then I put this one. This is lesson 4 and there are different things there. So this is already Wednesday. And for Wednesday, I have a grammar activity. We'll start should and shouldn't when you give people advice. Okay, for example, if you say that, oh, I have a sore throat, then somebody can tell you, you should gargle, or you should drink some hot water, or you should have throat lozenges. Thursday, Thursday we have the morning class at 9, the afternoon class at 10. Wednesday we have the class for both morning and afternoon. What did I do? At 9 o'clock in Carolina's room. Then I will explain how to get to those activities. And for Thursday I have two skill building activities and one skill building activity, but it has 2 papers. That's why I thought it's 2. And then you look at this and I will tell you what to do with the video. Okay, so that's it for today. And basically I went through a little bit more for this week. And if you have any questions, please message me. Thank you, everybody. I've got pretty good, I've got like more than half of the students, they did their assessment. So good for you people, good for you that you are doing your homework and tests and everything. The other ones, if you want, and if you didn't do last week's homework, please start doing it this week's homework, okay? So I will let you I will give you a little time to look at the video explanation first. And once this is done, in about an hour, I will send you the homework so you can start practicing and doing it. Okay, so you see me tomorrow with another video explaining tomorrow's homework. If you have any questions, message me in Messenger. I wish everybody a very nice day. Okay, bye everybody.